can't read that guy when you tell me I'm married now that. Come like couldn't look on the head for Amma. No look on the head for Amma.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest mix up and mix downs. Guys, to the video gonna be lit, so please consider subscribing if it's your first time over here. Okay guys, so Shenseea redeem herself and the proof say she's a great singer. You see, pray guys, and you know she have this song where she says she always sing, but she decide to search for the lyrics and she figure out that she does sing it wrong all along. So let's see.
I just look up the words for the first time ever, because normally when I'm singing it, I just pure foolishness. So I'm going to see what I want. Right? Ha. Alright. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style.
Yeah guys, so wanna comment down below, tell me how great she sound, is it? Anyway, so Rose reply to all of the rumors them a spread about wedding and thing. We are gonna make she explain what going on. I'm gonna hear from she first, cause some vlogger really already yet, you know.
Don't married. I tell me go pray God. Won't stop pay the both I pay to me married. Cause me not married. I tell go pray God in now. I'm married now, so I'm ringing for come don't ringing for me in now. Me can't read that guy when you tell me I'm married now that. Come like couldn't look on the head for Amma. No look on the head for Amma.
So after me vlog say Rose an expert, I get married, right? Which me come for confirm say it wasn't a marriage. But in my video, I don't explain say this is not a marriage. It's either it's Photoshop or something, but it no look, you know, when you see some brightness or something, no look happy about it. And them could do it so. But anyways guys, that's the way Rose did have to say. Yeah guys, up next we are going to talk about Shaneil Muir, you see me? So people has been giving her bad talks and bad comments, which I never know since recently. So I feel like anybody where I do them thing there, it would be like fake account or people where actually illiterate. Cause so much things out there in the world for sing, and the things that must she sing can reflect on people in a different way. And why did I hate a person for that? So right now, I agree with Pretty Dan.
So what kind of why that you are going to educate me?
No, I wasn't fighting. I was buying a piece of chicken, and then one of your fans them when I like gay people dash some of them soup in my face and me chuck them back. At them first. But me still I give with the $1,000 voucher for Louis V. You see me? Alright, so what do you remember when you tell me for top thief? You understand me? Alright, me looking at myself. And me and some hombre, them start the legal thing now. Me have a bridge in the work at Nostrum. You feel me I deal with? So give me a $1,000 voucher for Louis V. Alright, you know me a raffle it, me G. You know them look here? Nah, you know, just is a long time the people must see me boy, I never really give nothing yet. You feel me I did some day I roughly $1,000 sitting there. You feel me I did it in my buyer. So me I go put everything in a thing right now. I'm one girl get it. Me not two one get it, but if him get it, I don't know. You feel me I did?
Right. No. Woman them I get it.
And the woman them I get it.
Yeah.
The man them need love too.
Not for me.
Not from me, but they do.
Okay.
Them niggas need love. Them need Louis V too. Even one shirt. $1,000. Don't?
True.
Yeah, you know what they me the $1,000 voucher and get 10 shirt.
True.
Well, not 10 shirt, probably 2. But you know them look weird.
Shaneil, top girl, good night, my friend.
Jesus, Shaneil, you're there, you're good, you look good. You look fucking good as. Don't let any of them thinking more girl try to break your spirit because the one of them want you put on blood clot, body and breast and pecs. And we don't want that. Enough of them girl we have on the body and breast and none of them thing no bumbo clot. They can't even wash out them blood clot body hole because their reach get shorter. You see the body where God bless you with, Father God give you a reach to wash you out. You see, if you add on a little more to that, you cannot reach your crick or your ass to wash out it. And that is going to let you sour. Do you want to sour? No. You see the niceness where you have this and go on for yourself? Them the girl they will have the body and breast. Them they are Yamabella. Remember you sing about those. You don't want to be one of that. Them that thinking front girl, remember them can't cook, mama. Can't like you a cook the blood clot, man, Shaneil. You feel me? I deal with you are the kind of girl where man want in a them blood clot post, body and breast make you vex because them can't do nothing. Them the girl that live on KFC and Burger King, mama, can't steam the rice. Them can't even put the saltfish in a kalaloo and boil 2 banana on the side and make you feel good. None of them little sit there, them can't. Guess what they want to do? They want to go up a blood clot 21st century. Go sit down up a Chris Gale place. And blood clot harder the whole menu where them can't pay for them a fuck for. You hear what me I tell you, mama? You look fine, you have a lovely voice. Don't make none of them thinking more girl we can't sing fool you. None of them girl we can't sing, they want have your voice and don't have your voice and pussy them myself. Mama, you never did have to go on the fans go skin out. Say you what want now, use your voice, mama, cause it's very nice, mama. You know if it's up now would make them go and keep that. You see me? You don't need no body, you don't need no breast, you still a get fucked, mama, you know see man, you know say your DM hot. Your DM is blood clot steamy. You feel me? Don't run down any of what them are telling about. Your pussy I get blood clot fucking eye, don't it? Of course. You don't need nothing more. No. I want to your mama, you hear that device, and you're real, your mama. I want to your mama. Them thinking about the girl can't talk to your mama. We're not frightened for last week. We're not frightened for blood clot, body and breast. We don't want none of them there. We don't frightened for none of that. Make we stay ugly till the day we blood clot. If you say me ugly like this, we sing better than you thinking out, yeah. Can you sing like me? Can you sing like me? I sell more pussy than me, but I know nothing. I know nothing. Your pussy soon have sell one of these days. Yeah, that's how they be a deal. You don't want to mama keep it tight crutches underneath you. Nice, good blood clot body. Your body look good, mama. You don't need nothing else. Very nice. You understand that be a deal? Don't let them fuck with you. Goody, I want to hear goody. Them a Yamabella. Don't ever let me hear none of them girls that make you feel any less about yourself because guess what? I idolize you. You know why? You are the only dancer artist right now not doing the fucking most. You're not doing the most, you're doing you. I mean like that. Me like that, girl. No run down none of them taxi the way thinking girl them a fan down. Low them the taxi them a red plate. Make them go on with their red plate, blood clot, pussy, mama, want to see your voice nice. None of them grudge you because they can't sing like you, so they must sell pussy on the gram. You not have to sell no pussy on the gram, mama, you sing for you and make you feel good. You have a lovely voice, mama, we like you. We like your personality because you not sell fuck. We like that, mama. We like so you not have to skin out your whole to see you. We hear you. We not have to see you, we hear you, mama. You make a blood clot entrance. That is a blood clot entrance. You hear what I said to you? I want to make sure so no come for you raffle ticket them over there. So Shaneil Muir, no mind you come over there too. Me know you don't need it, mama, but still, you know me I deal with, come over here raffle. You understand that me I deal with? I want to you know see your short boss nice. You think short boss are run down the blood clot girl or run down the hype? But she is the hype. She is the hype. She don't have to run it down. It come right to her doorstep and knock on her and say, hello, Miss Short Boss Farmer. You know that I am hype and I would like to sit down at your front step. Can I stay here? Yes, you can. You know see who you are linked with. You're linking with Short Boss. You're not linking with the rest of blood clot. You linking with Short Boss, the blood clot queen, the blood clot Stacey Tanso, Tanisha, good, clean, boom, bang, Palma, me now, a good girl you are with, mama, you don't need none of them blood clot ladies.
What you talking about? It's lava place.
Mama, with the blood clot here, this is your place. This year, you see what they are win, Shaneil, let me tell you how it go when you win. The pussy then try to tear you down. Some of them people, the whole of them when you see a crab in a bumbo clap barrel, because you're at the out there, girl, you're hot. Don't take no other talk from a thinking mouth, girl. Oh, you're hot. You're out there. Any blood clot you tell is out there, choose you one blood clot, stay free. And that girl pussy then there. You hear when you tell your mama, don't listen to none of them suck good girl. The whole of them suck good girl want to be you. Always remember that. Who you